Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and open your Yidio application. The home page of Yidio application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Sign up with email. On the next page, enter your email address and create a password for your Yidio's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. After entering your email address and password, tap on arrow icon to create an account on Yidio. This is how you can sign up for your Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.